ẹni àṣàṣì jẹ́ abíwẹ́rẹ́ fún kò lóyún mọ́ bàbá ń tọ́wò ló bí gba ọmọ. ẹni àṣàṣì jẹ́ abíwẹ́rẹ́ fún kò lóyún mọ́ bàbá ń tọ́wò ló bí gba ọmọ. Have you seen a situation in your community whereby someone they are laboring on to become someone in life did not become somebody who is important or successful? Meanwhile, someone else that was given less attention suddenly become successful. That proverb goes in line with them. But originally, it comes from the culture whereby people go to the herbalist to look for concoction for childbearing. Now imagine, the woman who has gone to seek for that solution came home with the concoction and just told her friend, help me to taste this concoction. The person who tasted it now gave birth to plenty children. Meanwhile, the person who actually owned the concoction did not get pregnant. That is telling us that sometimes people who we less expected they become successful. In the other way, it is to tell us that we should be careful in meddling in other people's matters. Imagine they have come to tell you about someone in your community and you now carry the whole load on your head more than the person concerned. That proverb is fitting for you. Not that maybe we shouldn't get concerned with other people's matter, but we should know our limits. Ẹni àṣàṣì jẹ́ abíwẹ́rẹ́ fún kò lóyún mọ́ bàbá ń tọ́wò ló bí gba ọmọ.